G'day everyone, this here is a video showing how to use the new plotter. Everyone should have received a new email from myself. Click on the link and this should take you to your web browser. If this link doesn't work for any particular reason, just contact IT to give you access to this particular website. That you can see up the top there, that's the website address there. From this particular point, I would suggest adding this particular web page to your bookmarks. How I would do that, in this case I'm using Google Chrome. Up here I'm right clicking, I'm going to add folder, add page. From here click on save. You can see what that's done is added this particular icon on the top band here. So if I'm at another web page for whatever reason, in order to go to plotting, I click on the row up to here and this takes me back to the same page. In order to print any particular file, click on print master, either here or here, and that opens up a new page. Takes a little while to refresh. From this point you need to add the files that you want to plot, which is this button here, it's the second one down. So add file, and this opens up another window. In this particular instance, I'm under the Lane Cove Plots Arch CC set for the architectural drawings that I need. This gives you access to all the network drives if you need to, including anything on your own computer, so C drive. In this case I've got D and E, so I'll leave it as that. This particular window allows you to put the files in any particular order. On the top right hand side here, if you click on details, that gives you, similar to a Windows system, where you can modify the order in which the files have been come through by a modified date. You can also click on name here, it puts it in alphabetical order. Now in order to select the files, you can either select the one file and then open, or you can use control, hold down control and click a list of files that you need to add. And then the third option is you select one and you can scroll down to the bottom holding down shift, and that'll add a list of files. In this case I'll just go with the cover page and a couple of sheets just to show as an example. Once you've selected your sheets, you click on open, and what that does is populates this particular window here. Now if I were to print this now, this will be printing at full size, so I can just click on print and it'll send it to the plotter as is at full size. If I need to change the size of the plot, for instance I need it to scale at 50%, you click on defaults, and under scale factor here, that number 1 meaning 1:1, you click on the arrow down, it'll take you down at 0.25 intervals. In this case I'll go 0.5, which makes it 50%. These particular drawings are at A0, which means that at 50% they'll be coming out at A2 size. Once that's done, you're happy with everything, then you click on print, and that sends the files. I'll close this down now. If you want to view the queue under Queue Manager LT, you click on that, normal left click, and this takes you to a different screen. You can see this down the bottom, scan jobs, active jobs up here. In this case a job 493, which is the one I've just sent, tells you the user, and it does a conversion process and now once it's green, it's currently printing those files, those 4 files. And that's pretty much it for this plotter. Thank you very much.